Ellen, and today in Art and Craft we're going to make these little animals here, and we got these lovely ideas from this gorgeous book. It's Art and Craft Adventures 2 by Mary, Carroll and Katie Long, and it's published by O'Brien Press. So there's loads of beautiful ideas in here with lots of different paper animals here that you can make. And we made a few of them, but there's loads of other ones you can do as well. But today we're going to concentrate on our little friend, the chicken here. Okay. So I'll show you what you need. So they all start the very same way, which is by creating a half circle out of paper, okay? So I found the easiest way to do this was to use half a paper plate and pop it onto your paper, your coloured paper for whichever animal you're doing, okay? Okay, and then you just use your scissors to cut out your half circle. Okay. So whichever animal you're doing, you just need to. What we're going to do is we're just going to turn it around, okay, so that you end up with that shape, okay? So you just need to pop a little bit of glue on it. And then pull the paper over here like this. Okay, and that will give you that shape that you're looking for, okay? Now use a little bit of sellotape at the back if it doesn't stick well for you, okay? Now I stuck one earlier, so it's a little bit sturdier at the moment, okay? So you only need a few extra pieces then for your little chicken. We need 2 ovals, so you just draw them out of white paper, okay? And then just using your marker, just create the little pupil of the eye, and then we just get a little bit of glue and we stick those on. Now, for the chicken's beak then, we just drew a love heart out of orange paper, okay? And put 2 little dots on it, they're like 2 little eyes. And we pop a little bit of glue on that as well. Okay. And then for a little chicken crown, we used the orange paper again, and we drew something that looked a little bit like a foot but shorter toe, of course. And we pop a little turkey crown up there. So it's kind of starting to look like a chicken. Now these little yellow pieces are going to be the wings, okay? They look like a little bit like a speech bubble, okay? So you pop your glue on the back of those too. And pop them on the side there. And the last one. Okay. So there's your little chicken. And as I said, there's loads of other little ideas in this gorgeous book. We did a little elephant as well, and we did a little frog. So have great fun playing with those and making those. We'll see you again in Devleer. Bye.